Hello, good afternoon guys. Welcome to MK Convenience Brokers. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to go over important information about your Privacy Act and Notice of Privacy Practices. So basically, long story short, this is basically about your privacy. You have an option to share certain information. For example, your treatment, your healthcare operations, your payments. If some of these things can be private, you don't have to share any of the information. So basically, that's what I'm going to be talking about. There's certain things that the company, your Medicare, Medicaid, whoever you're with, they can share information. But if you want them not to share information, you may do so by talking to them. So keep that in mind. You may pause the video. I'm just going to give a brief summary rather than reading everything. It will be so long. I'm just going to give you a summarization of what it is. Like I said before, state and federal laws allow them to share information. Obviously, like for example, if they for statistic purposes or for any other purposes, they may use them for court purposes. Obviously, if you were arrested and you were you got medical treatment, they may use that for example. But certain things for medical examiner, if somebody relative and you're the beneficiary, they may use certain things, but not all. But keep that in mind, and it is your authorization. If you don't want something to be shared, you may do so by telling them, look, I don't want my information to be shared with anyone. Or if you don't say that, they will automatically assume that you have given the permission. They will share certain items, but not all the items listed. Again, you have your rights. You have the right to ask us to restrict, like I said before, confidential communications for your information. You don't have to if you don't want them to know. Like for example, your telephone number or anything like that. You may let them know as well. You have the right to receive confidential communications. Again, if you want to be confident, certain providers do ask if you want them to. Like if you like us to share information for medical purposes or whatever. It's up to you again. You have the right to inspect and obtain a copy. Anything you do, you may obtain copies of all of your treatment. So if you want it for yourself, your records, you may also get it for that. You have the right to ask for an amend. Information we maintain about you in design record set. Basically, what they're saying is, if you want certain things to be amended for whatever reason, you may also do that as well. We have the right to receive an accounting for certain disclosed information made for us for purpose other than treatment, payment, or healthcare operation during the 6 years prior to your request. There are certain things. Collecting, sharing, or safeguarding your financial information. It's right over here as well. Exercising your right, complaints, and questions. You have the right to receive a paper copy of this notice upon request at any time. Whenever you need this notice for your proof, you may also get it. You have any question, you may also call them up. And if you believe you have been violated your Privacy Act, you can also file a complaint as well. They don't take actions against complaints. If you want to complain about this, you think that your information was used, so you may actually use this as well. Contact information. Obviously, you do have a card. All the information is listed. If you have any concerns, write to all this information. Corporate Compliance Department, PO Box 2878. You call Emblem Health. Personal information after you are no longer enrolled, and changes to this notice. As you can see, reading. These are the language assistants. If you need any help with language line assistance, these are all the language listed, and you may call them up and you can actually get help as well. With that said, thank you again guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll try my best to help you out as much as I can to the best of my knowledge. Thank you again guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.